I'm going out and take a picture or a video of the snowstorm in Virginia. Today is December 19, 2009. And the prediction is we're gonna get 20 to 24 inches of snow. And you can see this is right in front of my house. I mean, taking the video from the front of my house. I'm on the porch. And you can see I have some footprints already. I've been walking around on the porch. And it's still snowing. And it may last until tomorrow morning. Oh, look at that snow, and it's still drifting. A while ago, the wind is about 15 miles an hour and slowed down. So, this is it. The snow in December 2009. Snowstorm. About 2 foot of snow. And it's still going on.